In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down menu on Squarespace step by step so you can organize your website navigation in a cleaner and more professional way. Drop-down menus are really useful when you want to group pages under one main heading, like services, shop, or resources, instead of cluttering your header with too many links. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard and select the website you want to edit. Once you're inside the correct site, look over to the left sidebar and click on Website, then click on Pages. This is where all of your navigation items and page structure are managed. Now, under the main navigation section, look for the plus icon next to it. Click that plus button to start adding something new to your menu. Squarespace gives you different options here, but what you want for a drop-down menu is a folder. So scroll down through the options and click Folder. This folder is what creates the drop-down container in your navigation. After you click Folder, Squarespace will ask you to name it. Give the folder a clear and relevant name, like Services or Shop. This name will appear in your header menu as the clickable drop-down title, so choose something that makes sense for your visitors and matches the pages inside it. Once the folder is created, you'll notice it appears in your sidebar. Now click Add Page inside the new folder box that shows up. From there, select the type of page you want to add. You can choose a blank page, a page layout, or even a blog, depending on what kind of content you want inside that dropdown. This is where you build out the menu items people will see when they open the dropdown. You can keep adding more pages into the folder the same way if you want multiple links under one dropdown. For example, if your main heading is Services, you might add pages like web design, SEO, and branding underneath it. If your main heading is Shop, you could add product pages, collections, or categories. The goal is to keep your navigation simple, organized, and easy to use. If you want to rearrange the order of the pages inside the dropdown, just drag and drop them in the sidebar until they look the way you want. Squarespace makes this really easy so you can fine-tune your navigation without needing any coding at all. And that's it, you've just created a drop-down menu on Squarespace. Now your website navigation should look cleaner, more professional, and much easier for visitors to browse. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Squarespace tips, website design tutorials, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.